Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the first time I have bought a Gionee phone. It's a feature phone. Okay, I got it for 2200 INR. So today we are going to do the unboxing of the Gionee L800. The major highlight of this phone is it comes with a 3000 mAh battery. Just imagine 3000 mAh battery in a feature phone. Okay, so let's take a look around the box. This is the box. It shows the pic of the phone, and at the bottom left corner is the model number which has been mentioned, L800. Okay, let me turn it around. There you see some of the highlights. It has a camera, dual SIM, Bluetooth, FM radio, video, audio, Facebook, Java and game. On the back, MRP and all has been mentioned, and SAR value 0.882 for the head and 1 for the body. Handset weight 67 grams. Okay. So here we also have some details. 3000 mAh super battery, super long standby time, 2-inch QVGA TFT display, 1.3 megapixel camera, video recording, video playing, supports Facebook, supports Web 2.0, support Bluetooth 2.0, support FM radio, MP3 music player, fun widgets. So guys, let me tell you, I have already unsealed the box. It comes in a sealed pack. Okay, so just to be sure, I have already opened this box. So I have repacked it again so as to be an unboxed phone. So now let's unbox this. Oh, it seems to. Oh, there you go. So now it has been opened and we are greeted with the phone itself. Let's keep it aside and let's see what else we get in the box. Oh my god, they have included a case. Look at this. It's mentioned Gionee. I'll remove the plastic. Wow guys, this one's really awesome. I don't know what the material it has been made, but it gives you a leatherish feel. So getting a case in 2200 mAh phone, 2200 rupees phone, amazing Gionee. Oh, there is the battery. This is the battery, model L800. Let's see, 3000 mAh, lithium ion. Okay, that's it. What else in the box? Gionee user guide, which nobody reads nowadays. Product warranty card. Oh, micro USB to USB cable. Oh my god, Look at this. We get a earphone. That also with the mic. Quality seems to be okay type. Please have a look. This is the mic with the Gionee logo. I'll keep it aside. What else? We have a charger. This charger. Oh my god. This is not a fast charger. Let me zoom in more. Okay guys, now you can see it. Its output is 5 volts, 1000 mAh. So it's not a fast charger, but neither a slow charger. Good job, Gionee. I'll keep all the things inside where it belongs. This is the earphone. Once again, let me show you. See, now this is the phone. Beauty, beauty, beauty. This is how it looks from the front. This is from the back. Let me just insert the battery and show you how it looks. Okay guys, this is the inside view of this Gionee L800. You can see micro SD card slot, 2 SIM slots, and it is written over here waterproof. Oh my god, I don't knew it is waterproof. Good, Gionee. So guys, I have inserted the battery and everything. Now let me switch on this phone. Oh, Gionee logo. Nice boot screen. Oh, so this is how it looks. Let's see, take a look at menu. Dialer, messaging, call logs, calendar, camcorder, settings, connectivity. Let's see what's in. Oh, it's only data. So browser, Bluetooth, there you go, Java, FM radio, flashlight. Let's check the flashlight. Oh, you can see it. It's good. What else we get? Music, Facebook. Good. So guys, that's it. There is one widget section is here. Oh my gosh, good, nice, I like it. So guys, that's it for the video. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit that notification ring so that you get all my videos notified. Okay, thank you guys.